anything.
No problem.
I didn't do it. Get down. Thank you. What did you do? Why?
This didn't have to happen.
Put your hands on your back.
This did not have to happen.
Okay.
Nice citizens. What are you doing?
On February 26, 2019, officers were dispatched to a Florida airport after a couple got into a heated argument with Delta Airlines staff over carry-on luggage being forced into gate check before boarding. What started as a routine boarding inconvenience escalated quickly. Officers arrived at the terminal gate and issued a clear, lawful order: leave the premises immediately or face arrest for criminal trespass.
Delta Airlines running to unruly passengers.
They're not flying.
Sorry.
She refused.
Out.
No, we came out with you over there.
Out. Now. Are you going to handcuff?
Going.
You refusing?
Yeah, put me in the handcuff. I didn't do anything.
No problem.
I didn't do it.
Get down.
Thank you. What did you do? Why?
Hands behind your back.
And leave. And that's not happening.
Oh my
Hands
God.
behind your back.
Oh my God.
Watch, you broke my chain.
Oh my God. Why am I so
Calm down, sir. Okay,
Calm down.
Leave it alone. You broke my chain. Let me get my chain. This didn't have to happen.
Put your hands on your back.
This did not have to happen.
Okay.
This did not have to happen.
Let's go.
Don't push.
Let's go.
Don't push.
Let's go.
Not gonna let her go.
She's a sick person.
She's going to jail. You want to go too?
Put your head down.
I can't.
Put your hands behind your back.
Now I'm going to release you.
Okay,
Then you just need to calm down. You understand?
Okay.
Don't release her.
Let's go.
Don't release her.
Let's go. Please, let's go.
That's not going to happen right now.
Put your hands behind your back. I'm not she's a sick person. Please, let's go. Let me pick you up.
Just stay put and wait.
Let's go. Please.
I need you to stay back.
Hands on your back. And we'll lift you up.
I'll stand up. I'll stand
Get up.
up.
Let's go.
Why?
Come on.
Why?
Get up.
Why?
No.
Smile. Let me help you.
Understand? No, you're going to stay put right now. This did not have to happen.
Get up.
Why?
Tried to explain to you to leave early.
Why?
Get up.
What would happen?
He didn't do nothing.
Criminal.
He didn't do nothing.
Why nothing? I
He
didn't
didn't do nothing. They just
You
let
need to stay back and back off.
1 second. Put him in handcuffs.
Back off.
Put that
When officers attempted to place the woman in handcuffs, she actively resisted, refusing to put her hands behind her back. Officers took her to the terminal floor, significantly escalating the level of force used. Under Graham v. Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, force is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Active resistance in a crowded hub justified the response. Florida Statute Section 784.07 elevates battery to a third-degree felony when committed upon a law enforcement officer performing lawful duties. Physical resistance during a lawful trespass arrest qualifies directly. Florida Statute Section 843.01 defines resisting with violence as knowingly opposing an officer with force. The physical struggle on Bodycam, refusing handcuffing and fighting on the floor, satisfies this charge fully.
Why my hand? Why, Mama? Why, God? Never ever I experienced this. Are you aren't you ashamed? Why my hand? My hand is right one. Take out. My phone. Why never for what? I'm not a criminal. I'm sorry. To do such a thing, but
I have to close it officer to clear.
my phone, my luggage, my
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, just trying to get her stuff. You take it all out.
No. We're going into their car. She's her and her husband.
There's all the stairs?
Yeah, this all theirs.
Delta Airlines Fire Rescue Response, Air Means 10-3.
Here, throw this on your dog.
There you go.
my phone over there, my phone. My ID, everything over there.
Here.
Let me stay next to the people. Let me stay. I can't.
Let me take my days.
My medicine and food over there. Look what they did to me. Never, ever.
Huh? Phone's in the bag. No, but
I
will be.
Where is my bag? I'm not affected by
Which one would you put it?
Huh?
Where'd you put it?
Can we turn that there, Sergeant?
Look what you did to me.
It's my phone.
Look,
That's her
the
phone.
lip and everything.
Where's my phone?
They made another
This,
bag. Look, I am a... You have to be ashamed.
This one for my car.
You have to be ashamed to do this. My God. If anybody will
don't lie, I didn't try to kill you. I didn't try to shut up. You can tell me shut up, right? You like
just because you get problems, I have another issue.
For one stinky bag, they make so much stink. We check in two suitcases.
People, look what you do to
Back.
nice citizens. What are you doing?
She bit me straight up. Oh, she fucking... Yeah, I get here, they're refusing totally. I told them, I said, let's go, get out of here. They said no. They're refusing. So I'm like, all right, put your hands behind your back. That's just start fighting.
Want me to turn this?
No, we can't leave it off for her. Fine, turn it off.
You have to be ashamed.
3 charges were filed. Battery on a law enforcement officer under Section 784.07. Resisting arrest with violence under Section 843.01. And trespass of a conveyance under Section 810.08 of the Florida criminal statutes. The woman initially pleaded not guilty. After her companion informed her attorney about the body cam footage, she changed to a no-contest plea and was sentenced to 2 years of probation. No incarceration was imposed. The officers receive a B+. The arrest was legally grounded, and force was proportionate to resistance presented. Points deducted for limited de-escalation before contact, a missed window the officer himself acknowledged. The woman receives a D. Refusing a lawful trespass order and physically resisting converted a minor dispute into felony-level charges. The court's sentencing leniency likely reflects recognition of her emotional distress. First lesson when law enforcement issues a trespass order at a private entity's request. Compliance is the only legally sound response. Refusal does not protect your rights. It eliminates them and invites criminal charges.